This is my first draft of my Health Highway application. I've built this using the HTML5 and the CSS3 frameworks, and it shows the usability and the functionality of my app rather than a visual representation. So it's split into two key areas, the first one being this exercise area. There's an infinite scroll box full of exercises, and if we click on jumping jacks, a video will load and it'll be a PT doing a demonstration with voice motivation and tips for better results. There's also a timer here. This is coded in using a JavaScript library, as you can see here. And here is the code for getting that to work. Eventually you'll be able to restart the timer and hopefully set the timer to your own individual requirements as well. The other key area in this app is the nutritional side. So if you type in a food that you fancy, such as chips, it will drag all this information here from a database to give you a better alternative. If you click on one of those, so here, boiled potatoes, it will give you an image, some cooking instructions, and just a bit of content to shake it up a little bit. There's also a Mythbuster section. Each myth that you click on, it will give you facts as to why it is or is not a myth, which I'm hoping my users will find very, very helpful. And there's also an FAQ section. This is just an accordion I got off W3 Schools, but an FAQ section is important because it identifies my client as the expert and it improves his customer relations. And then finally, my members login area. So this is primarily for members of my client's gym. So once they've logged in, they'll be able to see their goals and their targets that have been set in a conversation between themselves and their PT. Only the PT will be able to change these so that all weight loss can be done in a controlled and a healthy environment. Then they can insert the date and their figures for each of these elements, and then they can track their progress. And then each element has its own graph, so you can track your progress for each area individually. This is going to be the biggest technical challenge for me, and I'm not quite sure how it's going to work yet because I'm still in talks with my client about it, but that and some more usability testings are my next steps in this project.